The day has come on our way to tour that sixplex that we are pending. Always gotta wear boots at property tours.
It's actually very fine.
This year, I just
We'll change the names. Backyards are amazing. You guys, I literally just took that door off. I was just trying to open the door and it was like hard to open, so I like put my back into it. I just shoved that open and it just flew off. I had to run after it. And then I tried going outside to look at the backyard and I opened the screen door, but it wasn't attached and it just flew right off.
No. Need a break?
No. Can you just put it back?
Okay.
Thanks.
Yeah. This is where.
What they are is they're the.
Yeah. There's no access to the other side.
We don't use that too often. Anyway.
Yeah.
Time of the year.
Does it work pretty good though?
Huh?
Which actually.
the creamer. No, the creamer is dead.
Now I'm a line judge at an 11-year-old's birthday party. And our referee. The ref's on duty. Finally home.
The defense calls Joseph Lyle Menendez.